On my 10th birthday, dance naked on the lawn, making rain fall from a red watering can. On my 20th birthday, slumped in the corner, wearing Rhiannon's makeup and pearls, clamoring, give me attention please. On my 30th birthday, drunk in the Rose and Crown, dissecting faults of everyone around. It seems every time it gets easier and easier to die. On my 40th birthday, stayed in alone, ignoring the door and the telephone. On my 50th birthday, I foolishly tried to win a fight. Spent 3 weeks inside, with bruised muscles in my side. It seems every time it gets easier and easier to die. On my 60th birthday, climbed a favorite hill, lay watching the swallows and the dragonflies. On my 70th birthday, a fine meal with friends, then collapsed gently on the table, spilling 20-year-old brandy as I expired. It seems every time it gets easier and easier to die. It seems every time it gets easier